Students, now here is exercise 2 question for you. Once again the same method, average period method. We are going to use simple average profit method. Calculate value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of average profit. You have to note out this point, children. 3 years purchase. The question goes like this. So you are having here 2015 profit, you are having 5000. 2016 also you are having a profit of 8000, whereas 2017 you see there is a loss of 3000 rupees. 2018 there is a profit of 6000 rupees. In the previous sum all the 4 years you got profit. Now here there is a loss. So let us see how to calculate this loss. Students, now here is question number 2 solution. So calculation of goodwill, you want to write the heading, you want to write the formula. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase of average profit. So average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. You got me, students? So average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Now I am going to substitute the values, children. So as per the question, you got first year is rupees 5000 you are getting. So 5000 plus second year you are having an amount of 8000, and then third year there is a loss of rupees 3000, so minus 3000 rupees, and then fourth year you are having a profit of 6000 rupees. You got me, students? So then divided by how many years you are having? 4 years you are having. So you get a total amount of rupees 16,000 divided by 4 you get. You got me, students? So that is equal to rupees 4000. So this is your average profit. Now you want to find the goodwill. So goodwill is equal to, you want to substitute this amount in the goodwill formula. You got me, students? So rupees 4000 into how many years purchase you are having? 3 years purchase. So that is equal to, you can write 3 years purchase. So next the answer will be rupees 12,000, isn't it not? So this is your goodwill, children. Hope you understood this sum. Students, here is exercise 3 question for you. Once again we are going to follow average period method only. In this question also we are going to apply the simple average profit method. Okay, so what is given here in the question? You want to calculate goodwill, children, based on 3 years purchase of average profits. The profits are given here for the year 2015, 16, 17 and 18 it's given. One additional point is given for you. Fair remuneration of a partner amounts to rupees 1500. Only this is the additional information. So what you want to do with this fair remuneration, we will have to see when we do the sum. Okay, let us proceed with the sum. Friends, here exercise 3 solution. We are going to calculate goodwill, children. We have written the formula, that is goodwill average profit into number of years purchase of average profit. First we want to calculate the average profit, total profit divided by number of years. Now I am going to write the total profit. For 4 years I am going to write. You got me, students? So the first year you are having rupees 10,000 plus second year you are having an amount of 12,500. Third year you are having an amount of 12,000. Fourth year you are having an amount of 11,500. Okay, so this divided by number of years is 4. So how much you are getting? That is equal to rupees 46,000 divided by 4. That is equal to rupees 11,500. So this is your average profit. Now we want to do one calculation here, children. As I already told you, remuneration is there, isn't it not? So we want to reduce the remuneration from this average profit. Okay, so actual average profit after providing remuneration. So that is equal to rupees 11,500 minus rupees 1,500. So your actual profit is, average profit will be 10,000 rupees. So this 10,000 rupees only you are going to utilize for calculation of goodwill. Therefore, goodwill is equal to average profit. We got 10,000 children, 10,000 into number of years purchases, 3 years. So that is equal to rupees 30,000. So this 30,000 is your goodwill of the firm. Hope you understood this sum.